Today we like to talk to you about the Middle Reader novels, Blue Hen Award nominees.
You have to read at least 3 of the 5 books and then pick your favorite book. Front Desk by Kelly Yang. After emigrating from China, 10-year-old Mia Tang's parents take a job managing a rundown motel, despite the nasty owner, Mr. Yao, who exploits them while she works the front desk and tries to cope with fitting in at her school.
Dragon and Marshmallow by Citro. After discovering that injured animals come to the barn in her backyard for help, it's up to Zoe and her cat Sassafras to help the new arrival Marshmallow, a sick baby dragon.
Merci Suarez changes gears by Medina. Merci Suarez begins the 6th grade and knows things will change, but she did not count on her grandfather acting strangely, not fitting in at her private school, and dealing with Edna Santos' jealousy.
A Boy Called Bat by Elana Arnold. For Bixby Alexander Tam, nicknamed Bat, life tends to be full of surprises. Some of them good, some of them not so good. Today, though, is a good surprise day. Bat's mom, a veterinarian, has brought home a baby skunk, what she needs to take care of until she can hand him over to the wild animal shelter. But the minute Bat meets the kit, he knows they belong together, and he's got 1 month to show his mom that a baby skunk might be a pretty good, terrific pet.
The Last Day of Summer by Lamar, Giles. When adventurous cousins Otto and Sheet Alston accidentally extend the last day of summer by freezing time, they find the secret between unmoving seconds are not as much fun as they expected.
Voting ends December 31st, 2020.
For more information about all the Blue Hen books,
Go to the Blue Hen LibGuide link in the description.